Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on text call on your Samsung. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up your call app, then click on the three dots on the top right, then select settings, then at the top you should see text call, so you want to click on that. At the top you can see it's turned off, so all you have to do is toggle that on, and that'll just let you know underneath: answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they're calling. You'll see what they say in text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that will be read aloud to the caller. So you can go further down and you can obviously change the language. You will have to download whichever language you want to use. And as you can see, I've downloaded the English language for now. You have a couple of voices you could use, and you can also increase or decrease the speech rate. Then underneath you can edit the quick responses, so you can see there's already some set up that you can use straight away. And then another option is you can play other person's voice, so you can obviously toggle that on as well if you want. And this will just mean hear what the other person says during a text call, in addition to showing it on the screen. Voice transcription might not be accurate. So that's how you can turn on text call on your Samsung. Thanks for watching.